Here's a tip for all the Dodge owners that are working on these 62 TE transmissions. Your transmission cooler lines, I've seen this done on a lot of different videos. They are in the top of the transmission. You can see this one goes here and the other one goes there. Now, don't do the mistake that I just made by trying to use a wrench on them, because you will shear them off. See that? This is cheap aluminum thin wall. It just basically snarfed right up. To get the threads out of the block, out of the transmission housing, I used a Torx bit, I hammered it in, and then I was able to break it free. So you don't want to put any side loading on these because they will break. Now the solution to that is Dorman. The proper part is 800-724. They do sell different sizes, and I know this because I bought the wrong size. I didn't realize that there was different size holes for different size cars, so I bought one with a 3/8 and not the 10 millimeters or whatever the hell this is. I don't know what the size it is, but this is the right size, and it has the leak-proof coating on it. And you can see when I put all this stuff together. And now the magic is, if you look, there's a little clip. See that little clip right there? And if you look on the inside, see there's a little tab holding it in, and there's the other little tab holding it in right there. You see the two little tabs. It's the exact same setup as on the cooler that's in the radiator, in the oil cooler. So what you have to do and what you need to do is you have to get rid of this clip. Take the clip out, and then you'll see the hose just pops right out. So don't put a wrench on this. Take the clip out right here, just like if you were replacing the hose at the transmission cooler on the radiator. Take the clip out, otherwise you're going to be doing stuff like this and then having to run to the auto parts store. Now, I live in a fairly large city. There was one of these. Amazon has them for $14. I bought one locally for $17. So we're back in the game now. I just got to screw this guy in and then properly put the hose back in the fitting.